What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set rangefinder for sniper rifles in Battlefield 6. Once you have a weapon that supports a rangefinder, here's what you need to do. On PC, press the B key. On controller, press the D-pad down while you are in a match. Let me show you real quick. I'll jump into the firing range. Once you are in, press the D-pad down again. You'll notice the range value appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. It will cycle through distances like 100 meters, 200 meters, 300 meters. That's your zeroing distance. Now one thing I changed myself. I went into options, then controller. From here choose controller mapping. Scroll all the way down and move the rangefinder / zeroing input from D-pad down to my left thumbstick button. That way I can adjust the range while aiming without taking my finger off movement. You can remap it to whatever feels comfortable for you. Once you have set it, you can hold your breath, zoom in and use the proper zeroing to land accurate long range shots. If this helped you out, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.